What if I told you I have a team of AI employees working for me 24 hours a day? Not one AI, multiple AI agents. Every single morning, before I even open my laptop, they scan Reddit, GitHub, Hacker News, YouTube, Product Hunt, Indie Hackers, and other sources. They collect hundreds of discussions happening across the internet. Then they identify biggest AI opportunities before they become mainstream. Hi, I'm Bhavna. If you're new here, a quick context. I spent 12 years in corporate sales, mostly night shifts selling to the US market. And in 2024, I left it all to build something of my own using AI. Now I have built a few income streams since then. Now let's move ahead with the video. Another AI agent analyzes everything. It removes duplicate information, groups similar topics together, finds the fastest growing AI trends, business opportunities, creator opportunities, digital product ideas, SaaS ideas, and even predicts which trend are worth paying attention to. But it doesn't stop there. Another AI agents take all of that research and writes my content. A complete YouTube video, 20 YouTube short, a LinkedIn post, an Instagram carousel, an email newsletter, even image prompts for Midjourney or Nano Banana or Flux. Finally, everything is published into my personal dashboard and automatically organized inside Notion. This entire workflow happens without me manually researching the internet. This isn't one AI. This is an AI workforce. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and what are the opportunities through this, how you can earn money. Why I build this? As a content creator, the hardest part isn't editing, it's research. Every morning, I had to open Reddit, GitHub, YouTube, Product Hunt, and multiple websites just trying to figure out what I should create today. Some days I would spend 3 hours researching and still have no idea what video to make. I realized research is repetitive, trend analysis is repetitive, content organization is repetitive. So instead of hiring people, I hired AI. Meet my AI team. Agent 1 is research agent. Its only job is research. It searches multiple platforms, collects hundreds of discussions, scores engagement, removes duplicates posts, and builds one clean research data set. Instead of me reading hundreds of posts every day, I get one organized report with everything that actually matters. Now another AI takes over. It doesn't search the internet. It analyzes agent one's research. It identifies emerging AI trends, fast growing tools, creator opportunities, SaaS opportunities, business ideas, common pain points, and hidden opportunities. It converts raw information into intelligence that I can actually use. Now, another specialist joins the team. It receives only the important insights from the trend agents, then it creates a complete long form YouTube script, 20 YouTube shorts, a LinkedIn post, an Instagram carousel, an email newsletter, and AI image prompts. Every content format is generated from the same research. Nothing is repeated. Everything stays consistent. Now, everything gets organized instead of dozens of folders. Everything appears inside one dashboard. I can instantly see today's trend, today's YouTube video, today's shorts, today's LinkedIn post, today's carousel, today's newsletter, and today's image prompts. I can preview them, download them, search them, or even open yesterday's work with one click. Nothing gets lost. Every day's work is archived automatically. Finally, everything gets pushed into my Notion workspace automatically. Every day becomes its own workspace containing research, content ideas, and histories. Everything stays organized without me touching them. I can look back for yesterday's data, I can look back for a month's old data. People think AI is about asking questions. That's the old way. The future is AI systems. One AI researches, another analyzes, another writes, another organizes, another publishes. They work together like an employee inside a company. That's where AI is heading. Can this make money? Absolutely. Not because this specific system magically prints money, but because businesses have repetitive work. Imagine building AI system like this for marketing agencies, law firms, real estate companies, e-commerce brands, YouTube creators, coaches or consultants. Instead of selling your time, you build an AI workforce that solves a business problem. That's why companies are paying hundreds, thousands, and sometimes tens of thousands of dollars for custom AI automation systems. This is only version 1. I'm already working on the next agent. Automatic thumbnail generation, AI image creation, automatic social media publishing, video generation, voice generation. Eventually, I'll have an entire AI company running alongside me. If you want the next video where I show exactly how I build these AI agents, even without being a professional software engineer, how people are using these skills to build automation system for businesses and freelance clients, let me know in the comments and I'll make the entire series on that. See you in the next video.